Hey there, it is Stephen and Rachel, the City of Waynesboro Horticulture crew. And we are at one of our annual beds that we change out twice a year, and we are getting ready to put in our fall annuals. So let's head on over to the truck and see what we've got. In the back of the truck we have our 9 flats of true blue viola. This is a pretty big bed, so it takes 9 flats, which is about 288 plants. We also have our mix of tulips that we'll plant first. That is a mix of orange, white, and yellow, which will come up through the violas in the spring and be a fantastic color combination. Before we can plant these plants, we've got to do a little prep work with the bed, so let's get started. Now that we've got our bed tilled and edged, we're ready to plant some plants. Look at that nice compost.
300 bulbs. There we have it, 288 plants and 300 tulips down. On to the next bed.